If your Kia shows the Check Forward Collision Avoidance Assist System warning, it means the vehicle's collision prevention system is not working correctly. This safety feature uses a front radar sensor and windshield camera to detect vehicles, pedestrians, or obstacles ahead and apply braking if necessary. When the system detects a fault or obstruction, it temporarily disables itself to avoid incorrect alerts. Try these. 1. Clean the front sensors. Check the radar sensor on the front grille and the camera near the rear view mirror. Remove dirt, snow, or debris using a soft cloth. 2. Restart the vehicle. Turn off the engine, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then start the car again to clear temporary system glitches. 3. Check the windshield area. Make sure nothing like stickers, tint film, or condensation is blocking the camera's view. 4. Inspect the battery and electrical system. Low voltage or weak battery connections can trigger ADAS system warnings. 5. Scan for diagnostic trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for sensor or calibration error codes and clear them after addressing the issue.